We put on numerous courses throughout the year for our journeyman training. There's a lot of times that a customer will even request certain things. But anytime a journeyman comes forward and might say, hey, can we do this type of training maybe for an upcoming project, we will go and go ahead and put that class on.
The training actually that we offer sometimes is based on what is needed in our immediate industry within the local, and can be then created by us here locally, in that we can put together a curriculum for specifics that would help individuals maintain employment on a specific job site.
We did a high voltage course that dealt with a lot of the safety that comes with working on high voltage. A lot of times we will get into a substation that is customer owned, and we need to have our members educated on what are the proper steps and how to shut down a system, how to make sure it's properly grounded, and that nobody would energize that system while it's being worked on. Technology is always forever changing in this industry. A lot of things that we get caught up in with are on the Ethernets and Cat5 cabling. But one of the things that we are we partnered with Winkle Electric and we're driving forward with is our PLC Lab. It's probably been about a year and a half now. We bought all the components and we put together a PLC Lab that this fall we will be putting on journeyman training courses.
We did a green energy thing 7 years ago with the state of Ohio, where we had a $4.2 million grant with all of the other inside locals in the state of Ohio. We did extensive training back then with solar power, wind power, and that type of thing. Anything that energy management, lighting systems, and things like that.
Another thing that customers are starting to request a lot of is with OSHA training now. It used to be that if you took an OSHA 10 course, it was good for ever. But now customers are coming back and they're saying, you know what, if you haven't had OSHA training in the last 3, 4, 5 years, they want it updated. As far as the wiremen that are going through here, it is creating work opportunities for them when they sharpen their skills. When certain jobs come through that we know that we need to be trained for certain things, we're putting it out to our members. We're making sure that we drive them back into the training center to get the proper training that is needed, and it's opening up doors for us. It's creating lasting customers that when we get our workforce out there and they are able to get that project done on time, on budget, and it's making work available and opportunities for us more and more.